welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a massive product empties video. I'm on a weird mood today, so please just ignore that. But anyway, yeah, today's video, I'm actually very proud of the products that I have used up. If you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a like if you do enjoy it so I know to do more in the future, and let's just get straight into the video. So first up, we have Batiste Dry Shampoo. It would not be a product empties video of mine if it didn't have Batiste Dry Shampoo in it. So the two the two scents that I've used up recently is the Floral and Flirty Blush and also the Coconut and Exotic Tropical. A tiny little bit of this left. I have gone onto this one now instead of the blonde one. I feel like because I'm more of like an icy blonde now, this one just looks a little bit better because it's more like a white in the hair. You can get brown ones, by the way, if you are brunette. But if you are more of a golden blonde, I'd go for the blonde. But if you're more of like a white, icier blonde, like I am, then I'd go for the normal one because it has more of like a white kind of tone to it. So yeah, I literally could not live without dry shampoo. Next up, which is another staple for me and it's just an absolute must to have in my collection, is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I absolutely love this. I must admit I only use it now for taking off my eye makeup because I use a cleansing balm for the rest of my face, which I actually have one in here. I'm so proud of myself for using it up. But yeah, this is my fave water remover and I just love it. Just love it. I already have one as a backup. So the cleansing balm that I've actually been using is the Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, and I'm actually going to show you this open just to show how much I've actually used all of this up. I am honestly so, I don't know if you can see because it's a bit with it being white, but I'm so proud of myself for actually using this cleansing balm up, and I'm so excited to try a new one. I think I'm going to go on to the Avon one next once I find it in my bedroom somewhere. So yeah, really converted to cleansing balms now. I just find as well it just leaves your skin so much more cleaner and just clear as well, whereas I feel like when I was using the Micellar water I wasn't having that clean feeling. So yeah, totally about that cleansing balm life now, totally. Something else that I've used, which was a little bit of a random one, is the Protein World, the Slender Blend Pancakes. I absolutely love these. I'm already like halfway through another tub, which highly recommend. They normally retail for about £10. You get them in Superdrug, get them from My Protein World. I'll leave links down below to everything that I mentioned, by the way, if you do want to purchase it. They are affiliate links, some of them, so if you do click on it and you do purchase through them, I get a little tiny bit of money. You don't get charged any extra. It just kind of helps to support me and helps me to have some more pennies to spend on better better equipment, or just buying things to do certain videos on and stuff like that. So thank you so much if you do support me and buy through my links. But these are amazing. So you use 4 scoops. I don't even put milk with mine, I just use water because it means less calories, and I'd rather drink my milk than put it in my food, to be honest with you. So it's 171 calories for pancakes. 171 calories for pancakes. Say no more. Say no more. Next up, we have some toothpaste. We have the Regenerate toothpaste and the Blanks Pure White. Really enjoyed the Blanks one. The Regenerate one was alright. It wasn't really, like, I wouldn't purchase it again if it was on offer or anything like that. Whereas the Blanks one, I probably would purchase it again, and I'd get the pink one again as well. Really liked both the white and the pink. Didn't like the blue. Don't know why. Just did not like the taste of the blue. But the white and the pink, highly recommend, and the pink one's sparkly. So we have some little minis shampoos and conditioners. These are the Pureology shampoo and conditioner Smooth Perfection, if I can spit my words out. I actually really was quite impressed by the shampoo and conditioner. I wish I had them a bit more, like a bigger ones kind of thing, because they were very thick. So I felt like you needed quite a bit to kind of get through your hair, but they were really good when you've kind of neglected your hair for a bit too long, and it's like really needs to have like a good conditioning shampoo and conditioner. You know what I mean? So yeah, really impressed by them, and I actually would purchase them again. I got sent them from HQ Hair like many moons ago, and I finally just got round to trying them. Something else that I've also used up, I actually got this gifted to me from my hairdressers that I go to, because I did like a makeup demo for them on one of their events. So I was like their like makeup artist for the event, so they kind of thanked me by I think I got like a free cut and blow dry, and then they give me these as well. So this is the Matrix Colour Obsessed shampoo, and I've also used a conditioner up. It's got maybe like half a use left, so I'm kind of leaving that in the bathroom because I love it that much. I do not want to waste it. I actually really like this, and I've also, I'm going to go on my little hair dryer. It also came with a little mini of the Matrix 20 Benefits Miracle Creator, and I must admit, this and this shampoo really helped to improve the condition of my hair. I'd really recommend it. My hairdressers always use Matrix. It's Suzanne Wilson Hair that I go to in Billingham. They always use the Matrix range. I also bought this when I was there, getting my hair done like ages ago, which is the kind of like break fix one, because I felt like this made such a big difference when they were using it in my hair and in the hairdressers. And I'm not one to buy things. This was £11, by the way. I'm not one to buy things in hairdressers places. I normally never really am interested in what they're putting on my hair, unless it's Olaplex. That's the only thing that's ever wowed me before. But this Matrix stuff has really wowed me. So if you're kind of struggling and your hair's snapping the ends of your hair, and you're just really struggling to improve the conditioner, it's dry and it's just falling out. You just kind of know my whole journey when I did the whole like vitamins testing that I did, where it really improved the condition of my hair. Stuff like this have really helped as well. So this is just like a leave-in elixir. So honestly, so I think that's actually used up now. But would highly recommend this and that spray as well. So I'll sneakily put that in my empties because that's actually used up as well. I've used up absolutely loads of shower gels because I've been going through my minis so that I can kind of like get rid of them and then go through my big ones, because obviously, my phone's gone off somewhere. Obviously the big ones take longer to get through, so I've been going through the minis first to kind of get rid of them. So I've used the Soap & Glory Best Washers Spiced Body Wash. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. If you saw, I got this sent to me from Soap & Glory at Christmas time, and so impressed by it. This is something that I'll have bought myself. I don't think I got this sent to me. So I'm going to have to get my phone in a second. This is just a Sugar Crush one, which is really good when you're wanting to kind of get rid of all that, like the thick kind of dead layer of skin on top of you, especially when you've got fake tan on and stuff. Really recommend that. And I've got more in there, so I don't need to repurchase. I also have the Sugar Crush body wash as well from Soap & Glory. I've got a mini Clean On Me that I've used as well. I've got a big one on the go at the moment for one of them. I've got the Body Shop Sheer, what is this? Shower cream as well. I also have a Elemis shower cream as well. Probably wouldn't repurchase this because I think it'd be expensive. But the Soap & Glory stuff I'd repurchase. I've got a full drawer full anyway. I also used up 2 of the Molten Brown bath and shower gels. So there was like a rose one and a eucalyptus one. These two here. Honestly, I would pick up some different Molten Brown ones. I feel like some of them really smell really bad. But I think I've tried 3 different scents now, and they're all been ones that I actually really liked. So maybe they've changed. Maybe it's not as bad. When I used to work at House of Fraser, it used to be like, why would anybody want to buy that? But I've actually been really impressed with the ones that I've tried. I just checked my phone then to see what them 2 texts were. I thought it'd be my mum texting me, but it wasn't. It was my dad saying, I will get us a pizza then, and then text me again saying, wrong person, lol. Oh, why can't I have a pizza? I also have used up a perfume. This is the Beyonce Heat. Oh, what's this one called? Can't remember. It's the blue one. Doesn't say on it. This was a 30ml eau de parfum. And I really liked it. I would repurchase the Beyonce ones over and over again as well, because I just love them, and they're just like a big staple for me in my like perfume collection. They're really affordable, and they're good for just day to day. Another hair one that I've used up is the Hask Argan Oil, and I must admit, I would highly recommend you purchasing this. If your hair's falling out, if your hair is snapping, if it's the ends are just buggered basically, and you're really stressing over it, I would highly recommend this. It's probably just as like any other argan oil, to be honest with you. I have absolutely loads of them, of the Hask ones. There we go. So I'm actually going through another one of the argan oils at the moment, so you can see how much is left there. But I also have 2 keratin ones and 2 coconut oil ones, and I won't be repurchasing any until I've used them all up. But honestly, yeah, I'd highly recommend picking up argan oil, or especially this Hair Squad. I just found that it was really, really good. I never used to put it on wet hair, so I'd come out of the bath or the shower. I was a shower. I never have a bath. What am I talking about? I'd come out of the shower and then I'd put this on the ends of my hair, and I'd really, 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 really saturate with my hair with it, just on the ends, nowhere else, just to really let that soak in as well. So I really recommend that, and I don't think it's expensive. I know you can get it in Boots. I don't think it's expensive at all, but have a little shop about, have a look online as well. I think it should only be a couple of pounds. So foundations, I've actually used 2 foundations up, which I am so proud of myself about. So the first one is one that I actually didn't really want to use up because I just love it that much. It's the Bourjois 123 foundation, and I'm not going to lie, this is probably one of the best drugstore foundations I've ever tried. It leaves your skin so smooth looking and flawless and matte, but not flat, not dry, not cakey. Doesn't it just? I will be repurchasing this. I know I will. I'm gonna miss this in my collection. I really, really am. It's perfect for work. It really, really is, especially in the summer when it's a bit more like hot. It just gives you a bit more coverage than what I normally have been wearing for work recently. But it just lasts and it looks flawless. It just looks amazing. The other one I've used up is the Makeup Revolution F6 Stick Foundation. And I literally, well yeah, I've just broke it anyway, but I can't actually turn it up anymore. And I've even like stuck like a thing in there to try and scoop it out, but it doesn't apply the same way. So yeah, I've well and truly used that up. And would I repurchase? I probably would. I wouldn't rush to the shops for it, not gonna lie. Not like my Bourjois one, but it's alright. If you're oily, stay away from it. It's not for you. I've also used up the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer as well. Mine's in the shade C2. And I've tried to do that thing, because I can see there's a lot of product left at the bottom anyway. And I've tried to do that thing where people say get some tweezers and pull the cap out from inside, like the stopper. And I've tried to do it. It was just a mess and didn't end very well. And I still couldn't get it out, so it's gone in the bin. Another concealer that I've used up, which is such an oldie but a goodie, is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. This one is in the shade Fair 1, which, to be honest with you, doesn't look very fair. I mean, it's literally, it's so dried up and used out, but I don't think you're going to see that. But it's actually not that fair, so if you are fair-skinned, I'd recommend going for a lighter shade. But I would repurchase that 100%. It's really, really good. I want to try the foundation version of it as well. And last but certainly not least, we have 2 mascaras that I've used up. The first one is the Benefit They're Real, which used to be such a go-to one for me. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, you know that They're Real was like my be-all and end-all. And now it just doesn't compare at all to Benefit Bad Girl Bang, which is another one that I've literally just used up today on my bottom lashes, and now it is completely gone. And I'm so sad because no mascara lives up to this. It just doesn't. I'm going to have to buy another one, aren't I? So that is everything that I have used up for a long time, to be honest with you. I've got through a lot of makeup products, which I'm very proud of myself for. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I will hopefully see you in my next video I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays at 6 o'clock UK time, and I'll hopefully see you then. Bye guys.